Hello guys, today I'm going to do a toy unboxing video, and today I'm going to unbox a surprise egg. This is what it looks like. It's green, and this is what it looks like. It feels so weird and slippery. Technically you could stretch it, you could also bounce it, but this is like a soft area, so it won't bounce really well, but still it's. And then you could sometimes like make it the biggest stretch ever. Like sometimes when you try to snap it, it will stretch so easily. Like check this out, see, and it's so cool. You could need it and stuff, and it's 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 for 4 and up. It's not suitable for children under 3 years old, and you could also pull it really hard. Still it won't break even though you pull it so much. And then